In the Gulf region, many construction sites are not yet connected to the power grid. Regulations prohibit temporary grid lines for buildings without completed roofs. As a result, these sites depend entirely on large diesel generators, struggling with high fuel costs, constant noise, and heavy emissions. In the extreme heat, generators must stop every few hours for cooling, or risk overheating and costly damage. Frequent maintenance, unsafe refueling runs, and variable loads make power supply both unreliable and expensive. Matching generator output to changing demand is a constant challenge. The ATI-WATT team began by carefully studying the site's load profile, observing power patterns, generator performance, and environmental conditions. Based on this data, we designed a custom microgrid, integrating a battery energy storage system and automated genset retrofit, coordinated by our SmartWatt EMS intelligent control. Together, they form a fully off-grid smart microgrid, stable, efficient, and perfectly adapted to construction site demands. The results were immediate and measurable. Emissions and noise dropped dramatically. Fuel consumption was reduced by more than 50%, and power quality greatly improved. After months of stable operation, the system earned full recognition from the construction contractor and is now being expanded to additional project zones. Compared with other mobile energy units, the site manager said, ATI-WATT's microgrid is highly modular, easy to deploy, and remarkably reliable. Our engineering team's load monitoring, on-site optimization, and technician training ensured seamless operation from day one. The ATI-WATT Smart Microgrid, empowering off-grid construction with cleaner, smarter, and more sustainable energy. Please contact our team to learn more.